Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to SAP Quick Learn. Uh, Most of the parts we would be covering here, and this video series is for everybody. Let's start. So, what is SAP? So, formally or primarily, it's a company. It's a multinational software corporation. Stands for Systems, Applications, and Products. It's an ERP, and the company with its own product. However, SAP acts like a nervous system that supply blood to the body parts, connecting to synchronize all the operations and business processes, whether it's HR, finance, sales, production. There are most important things in SAP to know. Uh, those are sometimes countless, but out of the whole ocean, these are the five top important key concepts everybody should know before starting already in the process, experiencing or already experienced. This could be a revision session for them who are experienced, but for newcomers, this could be an eye opener also. What are transaction codes? The language through which we communicate and user communicate to SAP to explain what are the requirements and what are the operations to be performed. So that's a language. ME21, VA01. On the other hand, master data. It's it's a memory inside a memory card. Without a memory card, no memory. Without a memory, no memory card can function. It's a blank. Similarly, master data has input uh, of any customer, information about billing address. For example, it's it's mostly about plant specific information, um, storage location where the material has to be stored. What are the most important assignments to create any production order? So what are the input requirements? So that is master data. Report and analytical apps, navigation and process flow. Similarly, these are few special features could be accessed while using SAP ERP. This is how a transactional code perform. Requirements are set. MD04 is checking stock, replaced with manual stock checking process. CO01 is of course to create production. CO02 is production order. Production order change app, we accessed via T code, release, and then automatic goods are updated here, production order is updated here, and then we could check it. This is how basically any transactional code or number of transactional codes in sequence could perform to execute an operation. This is a standard SAP organizational structure representing client at the top. So with this resort we could understand what is client. There are multiple rooms inside a resort. Each and every room is unique, independent, with its own already entered master data. There are already stored in important information systems, um, like who, which business partner, plant, and storage location. Similarly, every client is from top to bottom. Top, company code, plant 123, storage locations, multiple. One company code can have multiple plants, and a plant can have multiple storage locations, and so on. These are the different types of functional SAP modules. warehouse, extended warehouse, and this is the image of SAP S for HANA, where we could perform business operations, and here we could enter our T codes to give the command. So these are few key terms where every um, every user and an entry person or someone who is about to start has confusion with. So the image that we see is a Fiori launchpad, of course backed by the brand SAP S for HANA. So it's a customized and most accessible and easy to use launchpad uh, from my work experience, and nothing sensitive, but more easier, could be accessible from anywhere. Unlock your global opportunities, learn basics, advance, aim for global certification. Friends, if you lack broader experience, please try to upskill yourself step by step, and definitely feel free to contact me back. Thank you so much. Stay connected always, and let me know if you have any